Well, hello there again, YouTubers. It's Blowstrious Matthews Jobs, BJ Blowjob, here again for one more video. Let me get in my countryness. Let me get my country voice going on. Here, get in my country. I'm from the South, but I'm country. Not from New Orleans, where the words roll off my tongue like molasses.
You're from New Kentucky.
I'm from Kentucky.
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire? No. I'm from Virginia, west or east, north, south.
What about the Carolinas?
I'm from the Carolinas too. That's what I'm saying. I'm Southern. I'm Southern. I'm country. I'm country rat. Yeah, I'm country rat. Well, you seen how we did the Tickle My Pickle Shine. I got something kind of along the same lines. I had a friend of mine ask me one time, he said, you got any flavored moonshine? I said, well, not right now, but what are you looking for? So I'm looking for some of that good old cherry moonshine. Well, I got a real good cherry recipe. You take these cherries during the season, when it's cherry season, you pick the cherries off the cherry tree, put them in a crock pot, add a little bit of sugar and water, and let them go for about a half hour, 45 minutes. And those things just sit in there and they just become this nice cherry juice, and then you take it up and you blend it in real nice, or you smash them cherries real nice and you filter out all the goop and the gop and you mix them in with your moonshine. Well, at the time, I didn't have any of that. What I did have was a bunch of leftover moonshine, kind of like that pickle video. As you see here it is again. Look at that same bottle right there. Look at that, triple X. Like I said once before, you know it's moonshine if you see the triple X. I was chilling at my local watering hole one morning, and it was just me and the barkeep, and we was rapping back and forth about BS and watching some footballs. And he had some jars of some commercially made moonshine behind the bar, and I seen this cherry flavored one. I said, hey, let me get a little taste of that cherry flavored commercial moonshine. He said, well, of course, anything for you. Then he gives me a little shot, and I took a sip of it, and I said, you know what? I got an idea of what kind of flavor Peoples is looking for in a cherry moonshine. And really, all it is a maraschino taste. The recipe I'm used to making, like I said, is crock potting cherries and sugar and water and filtering it and blending it and making it real nice. But I can only do that when cherries are in season. So I went down to my local grocery store, and guess what I got? Maraschino cherries. So I got me this jar of maraschino cherries here, and I said, you know what? I bet you I can make a real quick fix. So I came up with a quick idea using these maraschino cherries, but what I didn't want to do is I didn't want to water down my moonshine. Anytime you add something to the moonshine, it lessens in proof and takes away from the ambiance of that triple X moonshine. Again, remember, triple X, gotta be moonshine. Well, my poppy, Dick Bob, said, hey, look, I got an idea. I can add some cherry flavor into your moonshine without lessening the alcohol too much. I said, really, Dick Bob? How do you do that? He said, well, I got this here C&L Cristiani Maraschino Cherry Liqueur. We'll just take some of my triple X moonshine here and put it in the jar. We're going to take a little bit of this maraschino cherry liqueur. Then we're just going to straight up pop this cap and pour these cherries and this maraschino juice in there. And it's easy as that. Let's get us our quart jar. Let's go ahead and get us our moonshine. Pour this in here. Just like that. And I'm going to go just for right now to about 50%, just to see. I'm going to add my maraschino cherry liqueur from Italy, where they make spaghetti, not France, where they make French stuff. What do they make in France? Hot women with armpit hair. So we're just going to probably count out just about 2 ounces of this right now, right here. We don't want too much of it, because we want to taste the moonshine. We don't want to taste too much of the cherry liqueur. Let's take a snort of that. Ooh. Let's just put a little bit more of this cherry, little Italian spaghetti maraschino cherry juice up in there. Juices in there. Make sure you get the juices in there. You want all the juices from the stuff up in the moonshine. And then we'll take our normal old maraschino cherries here. We're going to pop that cap. You hear that pop? You know they fresh. Ooh, they sweet. We're just going to go ahead and pour that juice in there. And that's what you're looking for. You're looking for that nice, bright red color. And it looks like...
Oh. It looks like a miscarriage.
It looks like a fucking miscarriage. Gross. Jesus fucking Christ. I think I got our mixture just about right, because guess what I'm going to do here? The last part of this jar is going to be nothing but cherries. I'm going to put this whole jar of cherries right down there in that moonshine. Looks like salmon roe. Salmon roe, yeah. Eggs. Like row your boat.
With a W?
With 2 W's. And it looks like I got the mixture just about right, so I can top this jar off with the rest of these maraschino cherries. Perfect. Who'd have thunk I could get that right on the first try? So what we'll do is we're just going to cap this off here. And that right there, my friends, is a quick and easy way to make cherry flavored moonshine. Hey there, viewers. Thanks for viewing our moonshine video about maraschino cherry liquor. If you think that this is fucking creepy, then you're just like everybody else in the world. Thanks again, viewers, for tuning in to Country Rad and watching us make stupid videos about flavored moonshines and other dumb stuff. We're having a good time. Hey, hit that thumbs up to like the video, subscribe, share with your friends. Feel free to comment on another flavor you might want to see. I got all kinds in my back pocket.